Here is my absolutely delicious seasonal hot mulled cider. It's absolutely fabulous, and make it in the slow cooker. It's absolutely delicious and warming and super easy to make. And I will put the instructions and ingredients in the description of this video. So it's just to give you a little tip, it's got a bit of star anise, some fresh ginger, cloves, cinnamon sticks, obviously orange slices, and unfiltered, this is unfiltered apple cider. No sugar added. I did put just a tiny bit of brown sugar into this. This is 2 quarts of cider that I start with, and then add the spices. So enjoy, and make some on a cold fall winter afternoon, and enjoy with your dinner, enjoy after dinner, but yummy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the recipe.